Algorand, Algo, is another coin that could be the missing advanced resource that could light up your arrangement of ventures. In this video, we will take a top-to-bottom investigate the elements that could be useful to you finish up concerning why you might think about putting resources into Algorand. Beside that, we will survey the advantages and disadvantages and the fundamental subtleties to pay special attention to in your course to put resources into Algorand. Prior to putting resources into Algorand, you should comprehend the starting points as well as the potential outcomes of the crypto project in such an immersed market. This would assist with encouraging you in settling on an extraordinary choice on the digital money. Putting resources into Algorand simply on the estimates of cryptographic money gateways can prompt a deficiency of capital in a brief period. Furthermore, putting resources into Algorand in light of the proposal of asset chiefs or digital currency bunches across Reddit, Facebook, and Twitter builds your possibilities, making hopeless misfortunes. In the first place, Algorand's local resource, Algo, isn't similar to the standard cryptographic forms of money we are utilized to that are coordinated across a few vendors to be utilized as computerized monetary forms. All things considered, it offers something else that main DeFi coins are utilized to. Algorand, in contrast to Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Run, and Bitcoin money, is an altogether new sort of blockchain stage that permits individual engineers and business associations to assemble applications. While such a novel development that is prepared to track down replies to every one of the inquiries on blockchain innovation presents an extraordinary venture, a potential open door, you should have a deep understanding of Algorand. All the more significantly, you should recognize any entanglements related with the innovation that can negatively affect its local resource. With the quantity of business associations utilizing Algorand for their product arrangements, is Algorand worth putting resources into? What is Algorand? Algorand is an unadulterated verification of stake PPOS blockchain that supports savvy contracts. Algorand can likewise be characterized as a self-maintaining, decentralized, blockchain-based network that upholds many applications. As per the authority site of Algorand, it constructs innovation that speeds up the intermingling among conventional and decentralized finance by empowering the basic formation of cutting-edge monetary items, conventions, and trade of significant worth. To lay it out plainly, Algorand gives lightning-quick exchanges that are generally less expensive than different organizations by wiping out the intricacies related with blockchain innovation. Algorand was established by Silvio Macaulay, a software engineering teacher at the Massachusetts Foundation of Innovation, MIT, in 2017. The organization that manages the persistent improvement of the venture is Algorand Incorporated, also can be tracked down in Boston, Massachusetts, US of America. Algorand really exists as four separate yet interconnected elements. The Algorand organization, this is the public blockchain, permissionless framework that involves building apparatuses and the vital assets that permit designers from varying backgrounds to make new types of decentralized, finance-driven applications and decide the eventual fate of money. Algo. This is the essential digital money on Algorand. It assumes a functioning part in administration as well concerning settling exchanges on the organization inside brief periods. Algorand Consolidated. This is the organization behind the constant improvement of Algorand's organization, as well as the digital currency. The organization has a size of 51 to 200 representatives, according to information recovered from LinkedIn. This group involves cryptographers, financial analysts, mathematicians, and software engineering specialists. Algorand Establishment. The Algorand Establishment Restricted is consolidated in the Republic of Singapore. Along with the whole Algorand people group, the establishment intends to construct public, permissionless, and confided-in framework for the borderless economy. The thought behind Algorand is to settle the failures of records which are at the core of all blockchain projects. Ordinarily, blockchain innovations flooding the decentralized money market are excessively clogged. Generally, this prompts inflated costs in the handling of exchanges. There are significant delays for exchanges to be affirmed. Numerous clients who are not patient enough find such frameworks untrustworthy. Algorand offers an elective brilliant agreement stage that is not quite the same as EOCO, Ethereum, Tron, Cardano, and Binance Savvy Chain. Algorand has tracked down replies to the trilemma of blockchain innovations, which are versatility, security, and decentralization. Thus, the Algorand organization processes exchanges in an essentially free, moment, and secure way. Additionally, Algorand can work with exchanges in all cases, and not just digital currency-propelled projects. Is it true that you are prepared to put resources into Algorand? After the send-off of its test network in April 2019, which was trailed by the mainnet in June 2019, Algorand began to encounter expanded use cases toward the start of the pandemic in 2020. Explicitly in February, stablecoins United States dollars coin, USDC, and TAI were sent off on the Algorand organization. In June 2020, PlanetWatch declared that it would utilize Algorand's blockchain to convey a worldwide organization of air quality sensors. Information from the sensors' record estimation would be put away on the Algorand blockchain. Additionally, in WOC 2020, Republic, which is known for working with crowdfunding lobbies for deeply grounded little to medium organizations, SMBs, and new companies, utilized the Algorand stage to give their benefit sharing token. Today, the Algorand organization is utilized by a developing number of clients of in excess of 300 across a few nations worldwide. This is the essential motivation behind why numerous crypto and monetary examiners accept Algorand can possibly supplant Ethereum and other Ethereum executioners as the main brilliant agreement blockchain for dependable, normalized, and secure applications. This is the very thing that pioneer Silvio Macaulay holds back nothing LinkedIn profile. He has brought up that Algorand is a first-of-its-sort boundless exchange stage. Algorand satisfies the commitment of blockchain innovation by settling the blockchain trilemma, offering genuine decentralization, versatility, and security. Thus, to assist you with arriving at a decent conclusion about the Algo token, here are the upsides and downsides of putting resources into Algorand. As an e-learning association, it is our most extreme need to dig profound and furnish you with precise subtleties of Algo and other cryptographic forms of money. If you have any desire to know the upsides and downsides of putting resources into Algorand, that will help you in getting to be aware, assuming that it is really smart to put resources into Algo. You are on the right exchanging and contributing schooling stage. Thinks Algo brings a lot to the table for its holders. Most authorities on the matter would agree. Algo merits putting resources into on the grounds that it could exchange for a coin at any rate cost of 26 cents, a greatest cost of 39 cents, and a typical cost of 31 cents. Toward the finish of 2023, the gauging site gauges Algo could have the most ideal exchanging costs of 43 cents by the end of 2024 and $0.546 constantly's finish of 2025. With such an exceptional development that has seen hundreds of standard companies take on Algorand as the essential programming answer for scaling their exchanges, such activities ought to reflect decidedly in the cost of Algo. Sadly, Algo's cost of 22 cents is 93% not exactly its record-breaking excessive cost of $3.28 that was recorded on Friday, 21 June 2019. With the ceaseless development of the Algo organization combined with the exercises of Algorand Consolidated and Algorand Establishment, the stage would keep on acquiring openness from being reported for reception by standard companies. Also, Algo is one of the most amazing digital forms of money worth, and development financial backers ought to consider adding to their particular portfolios.